Good morning. It is a very cold December morning. It's about 10 degrees. And we are heading out into the fields to try to get some pheasant, get these dogs running around. I've been up north deer hunting. Haven't had a chance to get out bird hunting much, so that's what we're doing today. Well, Gussie, find a bird. Where's it at, Gus? There? Might be there. Hey, lady, Gus. Okay. Wow, you found it. Okay, good job. Wow. Nope, leave it. Okay, Gus got one. Leave it. Okay, good job, Gus. You don't have to fire a shot. You're saving me money. Okay, so they're holding pretty tight. Okay, well, got one. Yeah, we already got that one, unless there's another one in there. Nope. Lady, find a bird. Find a bird, lady. Find a bird. There we go. Go get it, Gus. You got it? Come on. Bring it here. Bring it here, Gus. Here. Here. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Here. 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 Okay. Leave it. Leave it. Look out. Okay. 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 Wow. That thing ain't got much of a tail left. Good boy. Here. Here, Gus. Good boy. Good boy. You too, lady. You were there too. All right, that there concludes my first day December pheasant hunting. Gus got one. I got one. Pretty successful hunt. I think we did pretty good. We were out here for an hour. That was it. Got out here at 8. It's 9 o'clock. I haven't heard anybody else shooting. That's day one. We'll get out again sometime soon, within the week, and try her again. Took the shells out of my gun. I'm done. I got my limit, but I'm just gonna walk slowly out of here with Gus and just see. Just curious if he can find any more on our way out. There's one right there. Unreal. There's one running down the trail right there. I wish I could zoom in with these things. He is booking. Chow, chow. No bird, Gus. Chow. No bird, come on. Good job, Gussie. All right, so we're just getting out for the day. I got done with work early today. Just met somebody in the parking lot. He said he didn't see anything out here, but he also had a puppy that's inexperienced, so we'll see if old Gus can find something. Oh, there we go. Good boy. Good boy. Sheesh. Here, no, leave it. Good job. Good job. Oh my God. Nope, no bird, Gus. No bird. I was not ready for that one. Okay. I still see it over there. There's one right there. Lady, go get that one. Go get that one. Come on, one just went in here. Now we're on the run. Go get it, lady. Lady, up there. Go get it. Go get it. Up here. Up here. Never mind, Gus got it. There it is. Bring it here, Gus. Here, here, here. Well, that was it. Good job. Good job. Good job, Gus. Jesus, you are bloody. Come here. Look at you. Holy crap. You look like a warrior. Holy cow, dog. Hello? What's up? Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them right on the road right now. I swear to God. I was just, yeah. To get you a bird, yeah. I'll stay here. Whew. Come here, dogs. Come here. Get it, lady. Get it. Go get it. Go get it. Here, Gus. Gus, here. No bird. No bird. No bird. No bird, Gus. No bird. No bird. We'll go down to where I saw the two hanging out, and then we'll come back up in here.
It is brisk out.
Uh-huh. This is where I got mine, and then this is where they were. Come here, Gus. There they are. See them all the way in the corner? All the way in the corner. Gus is getting on it right now. There it is. Oh no! No bird! No bird, Gus! Oh no! There might be another one in here. Oh man.
Dude, that's fun.
There it is. You see it?
No.
Right, straight ahead here. Straight ahead here. Right here. He's right there. Just get ready. Straight ahead.
Oh, I see it.
Yep. Gus, go get it. Go get it. Gus, here. There, get ready. There you go. Shoot, put a shell in. Shoot it right out of that tree. There you go. Bring it here, Gus. Bring it here, Gus. Come on. Bring it here. God. There's your bird.
I need to put that sucker in my vest.
Yeah,
man.
you gotta put it, get some blood on
get
there.
some color on my vest.
Let's go.
probably hit them if they're standing still.
They're sitting in a tree. Might be one in here. Yeah, he's definitely got one in here somewhere. There it is. Oh, no, no bird. No bird, Gus! No bird!
This one was...
I think there's one up here. There's one up here.
You can see it?
Yep. Gus will find it. It was right there. Oh, there he goes. There it is. Oh, there goes another one right there. Oh, man. No bird. No bird.
Oh, there ain't no way I could have.
Oh. Getting good footage, though. This is
Hard.
well, at least you're getting some shooting in.
Yeah,
some practice.
Yeah.
Better than the last few times we've come out. Come on, lady. Oh, he's getting birdie. There it goes. There it is! No bird! No bird, Gus! No bird! No bird! Damn it. We'll start working our way back this way. There's an opening to the field down here. There's got to be one in this tree line.
It was really muddy.
Yeah, this was it.
What?
Because it was this field. There, oh! How did we not... How did...
Looks like you got it.
He did. But that's where we came through.
Yeah.
Gus. Killing me, Smalls.
You got it. Keep outside.
Yep. No dinner for you. I could have swore I just heard one cackle right up here. Oh, he's getting birdie now. Find a bird, Gus. Oh, there's geese. I could take some geese. There might be something here. There might be something here.
Come on, Gus.
Come on, this would be perfect right here.
He's on something.
Yeah, he's jumping and stuff, so he's definitely... He's got something here. Right? He's really close. He's really close. It might be right out on the trail too. Yeah, you ain't got nothing. You got me all excited for nothing. Oh well. You got some shots off though. Gus was like, I don't know how many more chances I can give this guy. I enjoy seeing somebody hunt worse than me. Have you seen my duck hunting videos? There goes one right here. No, lady, no, no. I bet you that was the one he was smelling because it came out of the tree line there. Oh shit. Oh well.